Cheesy Italian stuffed peppers are a really easy weeknight meal or weekend meal, something like a Sunday dinner, that are so filling and great to pile on top of a bunch of pasta or some cauliflower rice. Now, to make them, all you have to do is brown the ground beef in a pan with onions, garlic, red peppers. Once that's all browned, you add in some tomato sauce, which makes these Italian stuffed peppers super juicy, and then add in some mozzarella that's fresh from a log. You just dice it up and toss it in. Then you take already boiled red peppers and you stuff them with the beef and cheese filling, and then you put some mozzarella slices on top. Throw them in the oven and let that bake for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then when they come out, you just top them with some green onions and enjoy them. I love this recipe. We've probably eaten it like 3 times over the past 2 weeks. And I think there's plenty more of these red peppers in our future. Check out sipbitego for more recipes, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers!